Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst of Zetrodex, and today we're looking at the analysis on the stock market, equity, eBay incorporation. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we then move right down to technical analysis, which will be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can say that eBay SWOT analysis navigating e-commerce challenges amid stock volatility. eBay, being a global e-commerce giant known for its online marketplace, connecting millions of buyers and sellers, has been navigating a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities in recent years, with a market capitalization of $32.2 billion and robust gross profit margins of 72%. Now, the company has maintained its position as a significant player in the e-commerce space as the company strives to maintain its position in a highly competitive market. Analysts have been closely monitoring its performance and strategic initiatives. Now, according to Investing Pro analysis, eBay's overall financial health score is rated as good, supported by strong profitability metrics and positive price momentum. Now, recent financial performance, eBay's financial results has shown some good signs of improvement since its gross merchandise volume turning positive for the first time in 3 years during the second quarter of 2024. Now, this milestone had come earlier than expected, signaling a potential turnaround in its company's core business metrics. And the company's strong performance is reflected in its impressive 64% total return over the past year, which significantly outperforming many of its peers. And one deeper insights into eBay's performance metrics, subscribers have access to over 30 additional financial metrics and exclusive pro tips that could help inform your investment decisions. Now, the company's revenue growth is seen to have driven in part by the strength of its advertising business, which has been outpacing the overall digital advertising market. And it's also in the second quarter, we're expecting strategic move with revenue growing by 8% year over year. However, eBay's growth rates remains relatively modest compared to some of its economic e-commerce peers, and we are projecting a 4% growth exceeding its recent quarters. Now, we are looking at a chart in significant move. eBay recently announced an increase in the final value across categories, and this decision is expected to raise the company's take rate by approximately 0.27%, which is a boost of revenue by 175 million dollars in fiscal year 2025, and hopefully $200 million fiscal year 2026. Now, we're expecting more push up to the upside. We're looking at the total gravitating move. Yes, marking our trend lines, and we're just watching out for a breakout. Now, this is a very important resistance point, has been respected 3 good times, as we can see. It has been on 67.47, slightly on 67.82, and balancing on 67.36. Now, this is a whole very important area just to begin with. It's a very important area that everyone is paying attention to, and sell out from this point is a good opportunity to cover at least this region down here, which is 64.55. So from this point to this point, we're looking at about 40 to 50 or 60 pips from that point, of course, which is good money. So we are expecting more and more down sales, a breakout from this point to a new zone at 63.36. So it's more like 50 pips plus 30 pips extra, which makes around 80 pips if we are to make a sell. And I'm assuming, yes, of course, with the recent news drops, we're expecting real sellouts to this point. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's stock market equity, eBay incorporation. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.